Hello. Today, I'll introduce you to Idealista, one of the most popular services in Spain for property search, rental, and sales. I'll show you how property owners can fill out their listing and successfully find tenants or buyers. To post your ad, go to the Idealista website and click on the Add Your Listing for Free button. Note that the first 2 listings can be published for free. Next, click on Place Your Free Listing and start filling out the first step, basic information. Choose the property type. The website offers 11 options, and for example, we'll select an apartment. Specify what you want to do with the property, sell or rent. In our case, we want to rent the apartment for a long term. Provide the property's location, city, street name, street number, and check the address on the map. Indicate the floor where the apartment is located. Specify the entrance to the apartment and whether there are additional entrances in the building. Now, fill in personal information. Provide your email, an active phone number, and your name. Choose how future tenants can contact you, such as by phone or through the website's chat, or both. After agreeing to the data processing, click on Continue to Listing Details and proceed to the second step, Details. Choose the flat type. Specify the condition of the property, needs repair or in good condition. Enter the square meters. Select the number of bedrooms, toilets, and bathrooms. Choose Interior. Indicate if the apartment is furnished. Specify if there's a lift in the building. You must provide information about the energy efficiency certificate, including alphanumeric and numerical values of energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions. Failure to provide this information may violate Idealista's rules. After that, you can specify the cardinal direction if you wish. You can also specify additional details about the apartment and the building, such as the presence of air conditioning or a garden area. Next, you can describe your ideal tenant. Indicate the number of people who can live in the apartment. Mark if the apartment is suitable for families with children. Specify if pets are allowed. Indicate if the property is suitable for disabled people. Now, provide monthly rental price. Choose the required deposit. In a special window, write any additional information about your apartment. For example, describe its style. Click on Continue and upload photos to move to the third step, Photos. Select high-quality photos of the apartment and upload them to the site. You can upload up to 40 photos and 6 videos. After uploading, click on Publish Your Listing and proceed to the fourth step, Payment. Contact Idealista representatives by phone to complete this step. In the video, images created with the help of GETFLOORPLAN's artificial intelligence were used. AI generates visuals based on a 2D plan and delivers a finished visual within 24 hours. You receive 2D, 3D plans, and 360-degree videos. Use promo code GFPI35 to get a 35% discount on your first order. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Leave your reactions and comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss new useful videos. Until next time.